Thank you for being here. So, hello everyone. I hope you all are fine today. As Monday, people they are joining a little bit late today. It's a little bit very difficult to getting motivated on this Monday, right? Rest other day, people are joining very quickly, but for learning English by free of cost, it would be very difficult for people to joining at time. Okay, so let me provide you information that today we have a specific topic that I have prepared, and it's kind of debate. You guys need to discuss in your small breakout room. But before you went into your small breakout room, I need idea from your end. Whatever your thought process is, you can share it with me. Okay, let me ask to Daniela. Hey, Daniela, how are you today?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning from your end, good evening from my end.
good, good evening.
Right.
How
So,
are you?
yeah, I am fine. Thank you for joining on time. Did you get chance to check out the message which I have sent in all WhatsApp group about today's topic? Do you get chance
Uh,
to check out that?
yes, a little bit is about the woman,
Right. Mm-hmm.
about how complicated can be the
Right.
woman.
Right. So let me share my screen and provide you brief idea about today's topic. So today's topic is about women's are much more complicated than men. Okay, that's our topic for discussion today. And the kind of questions which I have prepared. Uh, so anybody from you wants to read out the questions? Daniela, please read first question.
Do you think women are more complicated than men?
Yeah. What's your thought process on this question? Just provide your brief overview about this topic.
Yes, I think women are more complicated than men.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
In many cases,
Mm-hmm.
in some topics, yes, a woman are the most complicated.
Okay. So you agree with the sentence that women are much complicated than men, right?
Yes,
Okay. So thank you, Daniela, for your thoughts. Which country you belongs to?
yes, and belong to Colombia.
Colombia. Okay, great. Now I would love to ask Masin. Yes, Masin, what's your thought about this topic? Masin, just provide your thought.
Yes,
What's your thought on this topic?
yeah, I think woman is much more complicated than man.
Okay. Can you provide me one reason why?
Because woman has a special feeling,
Mm-hmm.
and she always feel like that man talk her rights or her something which or he was unjust with her and
Okay.
something like this.
Okay. So let me provide you one of the reason why people are thinking why this statement I write down. Okay, I write down one. I read one article in that they have mentioned this thing. So one things which is correlated this to this topic, that is there is never a right answer for them. If you ask men, if they ask, if any woman asks to men how I am look like, right? So what usually men answer, that if the any woman or any wife asks to husband how I am look like, do I look like fat, then what she expect, that we never know. If the man says no, then the man is, then what the woman is thinking that, oh, he is lying, I am looking like fat, but he is pretending that I am not looking like fat, right? And
Yeah,
sometimes if you say yes, then, oh, are you kidding to me? That kind of expression. So you never think what she expect, what kind of answer she expect from you. So this is one of the reason to, identify the woman, that actually what kind of answer she wants from us. That kind of, uh, you know example, real life example happened with all of us while facing women. So that's my personal point of view. Each and every person has different perspective, different point of view. So would like to ask Deepshika. Yes, Deepshika, how are you today? Unmute your mic.
Yeah,
Hello.
hello.
Yes, hi.
Good me. Hello, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Please provide your thoughts on this topic.
So this topic uh, is like what to say. Yeah, it happens that women are really more complicated than men
Mhm.
because they have a lot of things to manage.
Right.
They have to manage their life. They have to manage their personal life, their
Right.
professional life, their
Right.
family, and they
Right.
have to manage in one time with two or three homes.
Right. So
So
it means that women are multitasking, right? They
yes,
need to have, they are forever multitasking. This is one of the reason why you people can consider women as, complicated. They have to do lots of tasks together just because of lack of time. Suppose any woman is working woman, for her it would be very difficult to manage house, to manage home within short period of time, right?
yes,
So it would be very difficult for them to be there on time, to be joined in office at time. So that's why, people are thinking that women are much more complicated, right? Okay.
yes.
So let me ask few more people. They are joining today. I think many people they joined today first time. Senorita Fatima, can you hear me? Just unmute your mic. Senorita. Hello, Senorita. Can you unmute your mic and provide your short introduction? Okay.
Hello,
Yes. Hi. How are you? Yes, your voice is clear.
I am from Egypt.
Okay. Which country you are from?
From Egypt.
From Egypt. Wow. The country of pyramid. Welcome. Have you been here before in this Zoom meeting, or today you joined first time?
Turkish.
Your voice is little bit breaking.
I the
Okay.
speak
Okay.
English.
Your voice is little bit breaking, so it would be very difficult to listen you carefully. Okay, so Zakir, how are you today?
Thank you, sir. I am fine. And you, sir?
Yes, I am also fine. So people today are discussing about topic which I have provided. So what's your thought on today's topic? Just let me know.
Okay, today's topic is very interesting topic.
Right,
Every country, every horizon, every area of this world, the concentration is the common scenario.
right.
Okay,
Okay,
uh, as I am man,
okay.
so it is uh, not r- to be right
Mm-hmm.
to uh, uh, any to comment
Right.
on this
No, it's fine.
on this
We are here today
topic.
to discuss about this topic. So whatever your comments, you can give your comments, and
Okay,
it,
okay,
it's perfectly fine. That's a topic for discussion. Nothing wrong in that. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. My mother is a woman. My
Hmm.
sister is a woman.
Right.
I have many women uh, around me.
Right.
They are uh, more relative.
Right.
They are related to me.
Right.
But I observe, I notice there for women,
Okay.
they think anything easily
Right.
and take a simple decision.
Hmm.
But when they uh, faces some problem
Right.
and they don't want to take it easily,
Right.
and they want to seize their decision again.
Right.
Uh, for, for this reason, uh, men think uh, the women are complicated.
Right. Great.
In the case of men, in the case of men,
Hmm.
they don't take any decision with simple thinking. Okay,
Right.
they think more and more and um, uh, adjust with their uh, uh, adjust with their uh, b- uh,
Right.
sorry, I cannot
Right. Right. I
mind. I
understand.
cannot remember the. Sorry.
Right.
Okay, I get it. Uh, Men adjust them with their experience,
Right.
and after that they take a decision.
Right.
That is why our the man's decision to be perfect.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay. Perfect.
and this is why women are seem to be complicated.
Right.
Complicated. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Zakir, for providing your thoughts on this topic. So I have created PowerPoint presentations for you guys, and you guys need to discuss about this topic. But before you going into the breakout room, this is the reason why women are complicated. Okay. So I will share, I have to provide you some of the thoughts for your discussion. They experience a lot of biological changes. The women, they are facing every month so much problem, biological changes in their body. This is the
Yes.
reason why women are complicated. There are few reasons why, just providing the statement that women are very complicated, that's not enough. We need to go through deep dive in that. They think with their hearts. This is most, critical, most important sentence. Women were always thinking by their hearts. That's why we feel that they are complicated. They never took any decision by brain. They are very much attached with the person, with the things. They cannot let it be. They cannot let it go. They are forever multitasking. Every woman, they must be a multitasking person, because they need to manage so many things together. At one point of time, a woman needs to do so many things together. So this is why you can consider they are complicated. The women are complicated. Women can give lots of priority to trivial issues, right? Women can not let go to past, cannot let go to past. Whatever things happening into the past, they cannot, forget very easily. They are almost remembering every time. Okay, women are forever comparing. The comparison is the most, problematic thing. If you compare yourself with someone else, you feel very complicated. Women are extremely self-critical. Many people, they consider that women as extremely self-critical. They believe it's not or not. Women are very self-critical. They very harsh to themselves for physical looks. They hurt themselves also. This is the article which I find out very interesting. Women often make their world go around their boyfriend, husbands, and family. Their world is this much enough. Boyfriend, husband, and family. They were never think beyond this small world. They never a right answer that I already mentioned, right? How I'm looking like. Do I looking like fat? If you say yes, oh, this is the wrong answer. If you say no, oh, this is also the wrong answer. You never expect what women expect from you. So this is kind of article which I found very interesting. Based on that, I prepare some questions, and based on this topic, I request all of you to join your breakout room and discuss about the topic which I have created, and questions are already there in the WhatsApp and in the presentations which I have shared.
I
Hello.
need some help, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
I'm not able to share the topic, sir, from our WhatsApp and to here. It says
Okay.
that no, it's okay. It's allowed that. Now it's allowed, sir.
Okay.
Now it's allowed, sir.
So I think you can share the topics, the PPT which I
Yeah,
have shared, right? Okay.
I think everybody see the topic.
Yes, it's visible.
Yes.
So Fatima, which country you are from?
I'm from Iran as well.
Oh my God, I can't believe
Yes.
two Iranian together. So
Yes,
don't,
you are come back
Yes.
together.
oh, I put,
Yes, it happened by accident.
it happens not by accident. It happens because of me. I put you both Iranian together. Okay.
Oh, yes.
You need to say thank
Thank
you to
you.
me.
So you are the reason we know each other in this group. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
So you can, please don't discuss in your native language, that is Persians. I know that you love to talk in Persian's language as you are Iranian, but try to speak in English. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your
Sure.
time.
Okay. You're welcome.
Yes, Baljit, you raise your hand.
Sir. Actually, we have all all the new participants,
Right.
and then I also can't open that PDF file today's topic. So
Okay.
please, could you copy paste in our chat box today's topic?
Yeah, definitely. I will provide you information about today's topic questions which I have prepared in your chat books, in the chat box of the Zoom meeting. So have you introduced each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we have.
So Grace
Yes.
Ika, where are you from? Which country you belongs to?
From Indonesia.
Indonesia. Good. What about you, Dinda?
For me, it's also Indonesia.
Great. So many people from Indonesia. And what about you, Betang?
Bitang.
I'm from
Bintang.
Indonesia.
Wow, amazing. Today, I really feel very proud that people are joining from Indonesia. I would love to, request you, please join our WhatsApp group. I have provided the link of our WhatsApp group in the chat box. So you guys get connected with us on daily basis. We have this kind of Zoom meeting, right?
Yes, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So the questions for today's discussion is available into the chat box of Zoom meeting. You guys able to read these questions and discuss with each other. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your time.
What actually is lacking in man, that is actually, we can find that in women. Okay, maybe she has some different process going in her body that is, that's actually the part of nature. We can't object that. But what is that, it seems us to be a very fantasy, but it's not fantasy, it's a credit, or I can say, is the she can give some for the cause of other person. So it is, for me, it's a privilege. Because it is.
I think network connection from your side, Maraj.
So if you have network problem, Mehraj, you can type in the chat box. Whatever your point of view, whatever you want to say, you can type into the chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please go on.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Deepshika,
Yes.
point number 3. Please discuss the point number 3.
Number of parameters which can make women complicated. I have already discussed. They don't have a right to express their feelings. Second, they don't have right to freedom as they wanted to be live their life. The third one is in many villages, in many places, women are not being educated very well. Education is means they are literate. It means they can read and write, but they are not educated as they can be independent. So the third reason is this. Fourth reason, and to the end, they think themselves always that we have limitations because they are born and brought up has done like this, that you are the girl and you have to serve your family. You have many limitations. So they think also this. So from my side, four reasons. Till now, I have four parameters which make them complicated. They are beautiful. Then all boys wanted to marry them. If they are black, all boys are started to reject. So obviously, it will make them complicated. If there is a black girl, it will then she will start to think, oh my God, why am I this? Why happened to this with me? Why God has done injustice with me? These are the things which always make them complicated. So in one line, I want to say that they have always tolerated a lot of things which have been done in society with them. So these are not the good things. Yes, this much from my side.
Okay, Deepshika, what
Yes.
about your mother?
My mother.
Yes.
Yes, this is the. Thank you so much. You asked this, and you can understand very well what is the condition of women in this society. My mother has done graduation from history, and my father is only 10th pass. But after marriage, my mother has to quit her job. She has to decide to serve her family. And she was not allowed to for any job to do a job. But my father, he was only 10th pass and he is doing the job. So this is the criteria of a woman. She always has to listen the family. She always has to live in a limitation. So this is the best example you can understand the situation of a woman.
We do a lot of work outside. We are very tired. We do very big work, but a woman can do all of these things at the same time. And maybe she never complained about it. So it means that women are more stronger than men. That's a fact. I hope you accept it.
Basically, women are so soft, basically, and that's why she live longer than men. First of all, she's so soft. He talking to all the persons so softly and all. That's a thing that she longer than men. First is this thing. Second is that a woman is a far thinker. First of all, I shared before that she's a far thinker, and she's. If we are going, then like me and my wife and my children is going to purchase a school dress of a child. She thinks that always purchase a dress one size bigger than the normal size, right? Current size, always that. It will work after a second class also, next class also. So Moses is far thinker also. That's why. We can say that. We can say that in our eyes, women are always complicated. They not thinking now things. Hey, she thinks always far themselves. Yeah, I think this is answer point. Next is
Thank you for your opinion.
They are more person. Okay, just a second. Let me share one more. Okay. Next question is, Fatima, Adita ma'am. Women are more complement this. Okay. Provide some example which you're facing complicated women. Which women are more complicated, working women or household women? Which age women are more complicated? Yeah, ma'am. Please start.
The nature. Yeah, yes, Azita, please.
I have to answer to this question. It depends on their character. I think dividing women for this reason, they working out or they are household. I think it's not correct because it depends. There maybe some women working out and they are so complicated their behavior, and maybe some people are household and they are normal, not complicated, normal. I think it depends on their character, not their work. I think it doesn't mean because of their work, then they are complicated than another women. No, I think this kind of dividing, I think it's not correct.
Oh, basically, I see that a working woman is more complicated, not a household woman. Household means home baker.
Opposite of you. I think if we want something about, I think women that they working out, maybe they are more plain. Their nature is very plain than another another women work in household. But as I told you, it depends their character. But if we want something, no, I don't agree with you because I'm working out and I see a lot of my colleagues, they are women, and I think they are so no, I think they aren't complicated as household women. As household.
They are some age for a complicated woman. Please share the age, ma'am. if you working woman. Fatima, ma'am.
Yes. Actually, I believe that the nature of women are the same. It doesn't matter if she works or not. She's housewife or she has a job. The nature is the same, and we have this capability to manage our mind, to work outside and inside both. So it doesn't relate it to
Hong, you are joining with the same ID which I joined.
Really?
Even
I need 8.
I think, just because you are connected with us, you will improve day by day. So you need to give party to us.
No, but actually I need to work on my pronunciation as well.
Great.
Yes, that's 6.5. My pronunciation, that's 6.5. Totally, I got.
Okay, so people are here. Oh my God, Helio is here.
Hello, Helio. How are you?
Hello, guys. How's it going?
Hello,
Good morning.
hello.
We are enjoying party. This is Shashin, this is Huang, and this is Jen. Here we have Helio, ZW, Camila, Zoom, Vivo, and we all are doing party.
And we are on
Kind of
YouTube
trend is
now.
going on.
Helio,
This
you
kind
know
of trend
that
is.
we are on YouTube now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, really?
You didn't
Oh,
subscribe.
good.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
See,
But
this is the video. This is the video. In within one day, we have 104 viewers, and we have almost 38, 39 subscriber has been got on
I
104
was
views.
actually, I was missing myself in these videos, so
Oh.
that's why somehow
no.
I
Oh,
managed my
no.
mobile phone. So I came there.
Oh, make somebody.
I was
to
thinking
make
that
competition.
why Jay is not uploading that video where I am.
No, it's just randomly.
I search in all the videos where am I? Then I will upload all the videos of
Great.
mine.
Great.
I
can.
have one video with Barik
Yeah.
from Kazakhstan, right? So he was asking some tech tips to teach to students and some students who does not have attention on learning in his classes, right? He was asking that when he was teaching.
Right.
That one girl was asking time and again to him that, what is the time right now? Tell me, what is the time? Like, can you tell me the time? How long it will go? How long will you teach here? Right. Then
How
he
long
got,
we will end the session?
he was so upset that moment. He was thinking that, how would I get more interesting this session? How can I bring the tips and techniques? So that moment, what happened, that like me, I was there and Barik was there, and my daughter, like she used to do lots of what should I say, that naughtiness, right? And she just stood behind me and she started pulling my ear like that. And
right.
A lot of
doing
distraction.
here,
Distraction.
like lots of things, like lots of naughtiness she was doing,
Right.
mischievous things she was doing. So
Like my
and
daughter last time.
I have recorded, but your daughter doesn't appear. Your facial expressions that appear, right?
Right.
So that was the thing.
Okay.
Let me
So guys, today I create much more interesting topic. So any your thoughts related to this topic? Why women are much more complicated than men? This is very much, interesting topic for all of you guys. If you want to say anything.
Can I give you my opinion?
Yeah, please.
In my opinion, man and woman are equal
Yeah.
because both of them are obviously human.
Right. That's all?
I guess, yeah.
No, you need to give, you need to give answer properly. Just saying
proper
that you need to give answer of all these questions. Is women are more complicated than men? If yes, then provide your reason. Share your
Jay,
thoughts. Right? Like this.
Women.
Jay, I want to tell
Women.
you something.
Yeah.
Women more complicated
All right.
than
They survive.
Okay.
Right.
So that kind of meeting when only men were present, you mean to say that how women are complicated, for that only men will be there, not women will be participate in that meeting, right? Then
Otherwise,
all
make a
men,
breakout room. Otherwise, make a small breakout room,
no,
right?
it's a kind of debate. It's a
only
kind
for
of
men.
Yeah.
debate. That's a kind of debate, that's why I create this kind of debate. You can see my screen. It's debate, right?
Yeah, it's a debate.
Right. Please go on. I will be there in 1 minute.
In my opinion. All right. Girls are more complicated.
Yeah,
All right. Women are more complicated because they could do multitasking, and also wait.
wait.
Okay. I can prove women are more complicated. Once the session is over, I will prove that. I have 10 important reasons why women are more complicated than men. I have that reasons. Okay, I will show you guys. Let me end up the session because we are lack of time. People are very much, enthusiastic to discussing this topic. They don't want to leave the breakout room. Hello,
Hello,
hi.
daughter. Bhavani.
But she hasn't meet me. She
I
hasn't met
want,
me for some
Okay,
days.
okay.
I want to learn
Okay, so thank you all for being participating in today's sessions. Now we have still more 10 to 15 minutes. So anybody wants to give your opinion about today's topic, you can share it with us right now. Please raise your hand one by one. Otherwise, I can ask random questions. Let me ask to Juan. Yes, Juan, you were there in breakout room number 3. How was your discussion? Juan?
Hello,
Yes.
to me?
Yes, to you.
Yeah, okay. Well, we were talking about the question. I think that's a very difficult question because a polemic question because I'm not sure if women are more complicated than men. It could be in some cases, and in other cases, men are more complicated. But maybe one of the reasons is because women have their hormonal changes once per month. So I think that it's a very difficult moment during 1 week, and maybe when maybe they feel sick or something similar. And when you are sick, you don't want anybody say you anything. You don't want that anybody touch you.
Right.
And I suppose that maybe that's one of the reasons that they don't want to speak with anybody. But in the real life, every day, I think that many times men are more complicated and sometimes women. It depends the family experience. I think yes. I think that it's a very difficult question.
Sure. So I will provide you guidance related to the same. I find out one interesting article. I just sharing my screen. This is the top 10 reason, you can find out why women are more complicated than men. This is the first reason.
Logic.
The experience of lots of biological changes they experience every month, right? Then they think with their hearts. This is the most important line why women are more complicated than men. I personally believe that this is the fact thing. They are forever multitasking. You can find around yourself all the women, they are multitasking. You can find in your home itself. Okay. Well, then you can consider women give a lot of priority to trivial issues, right? So this is also the kind of interesting thing. Women can't let go the past. Oh my God, the most complicated thing ever. Whatever happened in the past, they cannot able to forget very easily. They always, remember that kind of thing. Suppose by unintentionally you have heard, you have, doing something wrong with some of the women, which is your near and dear one. She always remember that kind of incident that you have done this thing with me at that time. Along with the timeline, she remember this thing. This experience happened with every man. Okay, this happened with me also. This is the top 5 reason. Now apart from these 5, women are forever comparing. So as I told you in earlier session also, comparison makes a complication. If you compare yourself with some other woman or some other man, or anyway, if you are comparing yourself with someone else, it always complicate you. Women are extremely self-critical. This thing I need to know from one of the women. How women are extremely self-critical. Hong, can you provide idea? How?
I think let us start.
Yeah, I will
No,
give
no,
you
I
chance.
don't.
I will give you chance, all of you. women.
Aziz, stop, please.
No. Say Juan. Say no. I don't agree with this part. No.
Okay.
For myself, it's not. It's not at all.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So this is not applicable to you, right?
Yes.
Okay, because many women, they feel that, you know, the kind of physical looks what they have, they always think like that. Oh, I'm not looking very pretty, I'm not looking like in proper shape, I'm not in proper figure. They always thinking like that way. By that way they hurt themselves, like doing some kind of fasting, and they not eat properly, like that way. I have faced this kind of issue. I have faced this kind of, you know, many girls, they are doing like this way, right? Women
Yes.
often make their word go around with their
Yeah,
boyfriend,
I just want to tell
husband.
to you something
Yeah,
on this matter, right?
sure.
It's a kind of joke or story, you can say.
Right.
Once what happened that a very drunkard, boozer person, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he used to drink a lot, and he asked once to, and his wife, she also used to go beauty parlor,
Right.
and she used to maintain herself all the time, like looking so smart, beautiful, and in shape all the time, right?
Right.
And she spends lots of money, right,
Right.
for making herself beautiful,
Right.
right, and smart. So once like she started fighting with her husband that you like spend lots of money on drinking like that, right? And you drink a lot, you drink like expensive wines, you spend lots of money on that, right?
Right.
Then the men also said that you also spend lots of money on your beauty parlor for bringing expensive like makeup kits,
Right.
and you apply these things, so you spend lots of money on that. Then she replied that, yeah, I do all the thing for you so that I should look smart, beautiful to you. She said these things.
Okay.
The man said, I also do the same thing for you. I drink a lot so that
Okay.
you look beautiful to me.
Okay, it's kind of funny thoughts. Okay, thank you. Okay,
All right.
so let me ask to Mohammed. You raise your hand, Mohammed. Please provide your thoughts. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, it has been great session today. A very interesting topic.
Yeah.
I don't have many things to do to create to raise my points, but you said about the money, about you are talking about the makeups have been when the makeup industry have been revolutionized.
Right.
So that time women are become the more obsessed and more possessive about their look, about their and the ad has been seen in the TV serials and
Right.
on TV.
Right.
That's the reason. I think women are more complicated in many ways, and you are already told in the slides.
Right.
So it was a great discussion. At the moment, our present, we have only one woman in our room.
Okay.
We don't have. If we contradict the one point, then the fight will become go on. So we just.
Okay. So
Okay,
thank you, Mohammed, for your thoughts. And now let me ask to Baljit. After Baljit, I will ask to each and every woman of this room. I will give you chance to speak about. Okay, after Baljit, so be ready. All the women, you have 2 to 3 minutes to speak about this topic. Yes, Baljit.
Yes, yes, sir. Today's topic was very interesting, and we discussed with my participants a lot about the women's, and I came to know many new facts about women, and
Right. Okay.
but I came to know a new role that women have to play many roles: a wife and a friend, a sister, a mother, and like that.
Right.
And sometimes for example, if okay, we are talking to each other, so we have many females partners, and we are talking to each other very politely.
Right.
And everybody thinks that I am very sensible, very educated. I am talking, and we also thinking to each other that wow, we all are. But I think that topic is with this topic was around us. Okay, all our male and females.
Right.
So we are talking to each other.
Right. Okay.
Yes, and you told, for example, there are many wife in our group.
Right.
That they have to play many roles. Okay,
Right.
and I think then in all, I can say that female is really a winner, and they can fight and challenge every type of
Right.
every type of problems and challenge they can face now in the scenario of nowadays. So this is my opinions about this today's topic. And the last one thing I want to say.
Baljit.
Yes, Jay sir. Yes.
Baljit, I just want to ask you that your voice breaks all the time.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, actually,
Still, we
I have
try to.
network problem.
Okay, let me speak. No, I think that there is no any network issue.
Hello, good evening.
Right. There is
Please.
a Julia. Just wait one second. Just wait one second. Right, Baljit. Just try to check your your all the pins. Are you?
Okay.
Or yeah, you can like sending a voice note or something.
Yeah, they
Which
can
is your
send.
opinion.
Okay, so
Yeah,
it's time
the
for
group.
all the women of this group. Let me ask one by one. We'll start with let me randomly choose randomly A B C D.
Gabriel, I have a question for all the women are here.
Yeah.
Woman, please.
So please raise your hand. Otherwise, I need to take your name one by one.
Have they ever wished to become a man?
No problem. No problem. Okay. So just provide your thoughts. The topics which I have created, it's actually the fact thing about the woman's life. The women are facing so many problems in their daily routine life. Just because of that, they become a little bit complicated to manage so many things together. It is not easy task. It is really difficult. We really respect all the women of this group, and even in our personal life also. We have to respect. We respect from our heart. We respect from our brain also. Okay. But as this topic, whatever your thoughts, whatever you are thinking, just provide. Starting with, let me ask to Tarza. Yes, Tarza. Can you hear me? Tarza, can you hear me? Just unmute your mic. I think she is from Iran, right? Okay. Then you can start, Azita, as you are the leader of this group.
Oh my God! Thanks for this title. You give me, but okay. I have to say about what? Talk about what?
You need to talk about the topic, that whether you are agree with this topic that women are complicated or not. Provide your thoughts on just 3 to 4 minutes.
Yes. It's not my opinion. Research shows that women, their brain, their feeling is more complicated than men because of their body, their hormone, their system. It needs this kind of complicated.
Right.
It's their nature.
Right.
It's their nature because they have to train baby in their body, in their body. And for this reason, they need this kind of complicated. They are very sensitive. They are very careful about all of things that goes around them. and their system is very alert, and they because this reason their knowledge about all of things is more than, and research shows another thing, important thing, their intelligence is more than men too. It's not my idea.
So that
research shows it.
yeah, women
Research
are
shows
more intelligent than men. That is our next topic. I will took this topic in our next session. You will prove that in our next session. Okay, don't worry. I will
okay,
take this
but
session.
you have to accept it. Sometimes I say one joke for my husband and my son. I say God, the first time create man, and God understood. Oh my God, I screw up, and I have to demand for make up this screw up I create.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Thank
not
you.
I create by myself because of sometimes I have to control myself for some behavior, something doing my husband and my son.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your thoughts. Now would like to ask Phong from Vietnam. Yes, please give your thoughts.
Yes,
So what's your opinion about today's topic? Is women are complicated?
I agree that in some case women are more complicated than men.
Right.
But I think they are not complicated in all case.
Okay.
In our life, yeah, and it depends on the character of each woman. I know some women they are as simple as a man.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
But from my side, I agree that I am a complicated woman.
So you agree that you are a complicated woman.
Yeah.
Thank you. I hope your husband or your partner would be very happy to listen this, that you admit yourself that I am complicated.
Okay. Thank you for your
Thank you.
topic.
Okay, so let me ask to Deepshika now. Yes, Deepshika. What's your thought?
Yes, it's true that women are more complicated than men.
Right.
There are many reasons. So, and about me, yes, I'm also complicated woman because there are many times when I have to decide some things and when I have to see some women. So I become complicated. Oh my God, I should be also like her. Comparison. Comparison always makes me complicated
Yeah.
to be a woman.
Right.
So I always not just always, sometimes it makes me complicated by doing comparison with others. And there are many more reasons to make them complicated. They have no right to express their feelings. This is the first thing. They don't have freedom to do their work in their own way. They have to do their work in other way. What her father wants, how her grandfather, her husband, her brother, how they wanted to do, she have to do with their opinion.
Right.
She can't do anything with her own opinion. So second reason is this. And in some places, women are not educated in this time also, in 21st century. This also makes them complicated. They are not able to take this decision that which decision is right or which decision is wrong for her. And the fifth one is that we women, we as being a woman, we always think from heart. We never think from mind. That yeah, we should do this would be good. No, we never do this. We always think of heart. That yes, my heart wants to do this, then I will do. Whatever the cost I have to pay, I will pay.
Right.
It should be mentally, it would be heartily, physically, anything we are ready to pay. But we have to do that because our heart wants to do that. So this is the thing which make us very complicated. And sometimes it happens to the family matters also. we want to be free, but our family will not give us this permission to do that.
Right.
So this also makes that this is my life, but I am the only person who can't take decision for my life.
Great.
This makes women always complicated.
Thank
They
you.
don't have right to take a single decision of their life. In many villages and many countries,
Right.
I am not talking about all the women. Some women who are leading the country also.
Mhm.
So this is different thing. Some women like Vietnam from Vietnam, Hong Kong ma'am. She is always leading us in this meeting.
Right.
So the different things. It up to the situation. What are the situations and how are they solving their problems? It makes them always complicated.
Great.
Thank you.
Okay, so detailed overview about this topic. Thank you, Deepshika, for providing your detailed information. Now, would love to ask Fatima. It's your turn. Just unmute your mic. Yes, Fatima, your mic is muted.
Me?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it
Now.
my turn?
Yes,
talk?
it's your turn. Yeah. Be ready.
Okay, so I think the first thing we have to know about the meaning of complicated. What does it mean exactly? So maybe there's misunderstanding for people. What does it mean when they want to talk about it? For
Right.
me, complicated means difficult to understand, emotional and feelings and everything. But maybe for other people, complicated means that I don't know exactly what do you think about complicated meaning, but can you explain it for me exactly?
Yeah.
Complicated
Actually,
means difficult to understand.
yeah, complicated. It
Right.
means right. Absolutely. The things which you are mentioning, that the women, they are complicated to understand. You know, the kind of nature that women have, the kind of activity what she is doing, the kind of things, taking
Yeah.
decision, the kind of activity which she is attached with. Okay, the role in the society of women, that looks like very complicated with the people, surrounded by people.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes. First of all, women are complicated 100%. I believe that are more complicated than men. They are different creatures actually.
Right.
And but it depends on the intelligence of men, how they can understand the women. If a man are more intelligent,
Just
so it
give
can
me
understand
no,
easily,
no.
and no women
Sorry
are
to stop you.
complicated.
Sorry to stop you. I cannot
No
find a
problem.
single man who can say that I know this woman 100%. You cannot find that kind of man, that kind of person that can assure that I know this girl, this wife, I know this lady 100%.
No, knowing is different from understanding. Maybe you know someone very well, but maybe you cannot understand it well, her well.
Yeah.
So maybe you live with a woman for years and know her habits and everything very well, but you never understand his emotion and her feelings.
Right.
So understanding is different from knowledge and having information about someone.
Right.
This is my opinion. I don't know if it's right or wrong,
Right.
but it depends on many factors. One of them is body is different, emotion, feeling, hormones, all of these. We are different and more complicated, and maybe in body we are not as strong and we are weaker than men, but in mind and emotion, in handling difficult situation, women are very strong and very complicated, but everything refers to the other person, the people around you, how much they are intelligent.
Right.
So some people, maybe just by talking to you one time, they can understand you, but maybe some people, they live with you many years and they can't understand.
Right.
So this is my opinion.
Yes.
And it's a very vast subject. It's very big subject. How can I say? It needs to be explained more and more by details.
Right.
But it's not a simple subject.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
and it's very necessary to talk about it and to,
Yeah.
yes, and to
Yeah.
clear men
Right. Right.
about
Right.
the capability of women and the differences between men and women. It's very important topic.
Right. Right. Okay. So thank you, Fatima, for providing your thoughts
You're
from
welcome.
Iran. Okay. Now,
Thank you.
anybody wants to say, any girl remaining in this group? Otherwise, I would love to invite our co-host, Dr. Huang, provide her special thoughts on this topic. She already provided hundreds of chat into the chat box, but let me ask her to speak something about this topic. Please provide your thoughts.
But City want to
Yeah, yeah,
talk
please, City.
something.
Yes, City.
Let her talk.
Yeah,
I have joined this group. I mean, I'm new here.
right. Okay.
Uh, by the way, what is about topic tonight?
Okay, topic for today's night is about why women are too much complicated. That's topic for discussion.
Oh yeah, it's really interesting.
Yeah, so as you joined just now, we are about to end of this session. Just provide your quick thoughts related to this topic, whatever thoughts in your mind.
Sorry, I don't get it.
Yeah,
What's about?
we about to end, we about to wrap up the session. We already discussed about 90 minutes, more than 90 minutes on this topic. So whatever thoughts you have, you can provide us on this topic.
Okay.
Why women are more complicated than men? What
Okay,
is the
okay,
reason?
okay. I will tell you. You're from Indonesia, right?
Of course, I'm from
Oh.
Indonesia.
Nah, kayak gini, apa sih namanya? Kenapa cewek-cewek itu lebih menyusahkan daripada lelaki kayak gitu?
Oh, which language is this? They are talking in native
It's
language.
Indonesian.
Oh my
It's
God.
Indonesian.
Indonesian language.
Oh, this is
Okay.
English
Yeah, Indonesian.
globally. You have to speak in English.
Yeah, I'll tell them about this topic.
No, it's
But
fine.
in
It's
bahasa
fine.
Indonesia.
I'm
Why
just
don't you try to
kidding.
speak English?
Thank
If
you,
you
Yogi.
are,
Thank you.
you want to be good.
You're welcome.
I get it.
You're welcome.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. No problem. So, Siti, any thoughts on this topic? Okay, let me ask to Arun Kumar. Yes, Arun Kumar, you raise your hand.
Yeah, yes, sir. First of all, we cannot ask the woman that you are complicated. Number one. Second is everyone cannot be a Dipshika. Dipshika is separate person. She's very nice person. She's 2%. Means she is 2%. First of all, Dipshika from the mouth, whatever he says, what she says, and second thing is says by impressions, whatever they say. But she is very good girl. Next thing is women are complicated. We can say that because she thinks always for tomorrow, not for today. I already example for that. That when we go to a children uniform purchasing with the children, she purchased only 1 cent bigger than today. The things, trousers and shirts and all.
Right.
But afterward, we can say that yeah, she is right always.
Right.
She is right. She think before that what will be done today evening, that thing. What will be done tomorrow morning, that thing. Yeah, she is done. Yeah. She is good and it should be there.
Right.
So she is right always. I can say.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Arunji. Now,
Thank you, sir.
at the end of the session, provide your few comments, Dr. Huang. We all love to listen your comments on this topic.
Thank you so much, my beautiful members here. Actually, when listening to you, you made myself like a hotter and like sweaty right now. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay.
To be honest with you, like it depends on the situation, you know. Even men or women, sometimes we are more complicated and sometimes less. That depends on the situation. But from my point of view, sometimes women, we are like we have good imagination, and even we think different ways and make it worse, and also negative thing to reduce or minimize risk and something like that.
Right.
So that's why sometimes we think a lot, so much, I think, so too much. So that's why make the situation more complicated. So
Right.
that's why we should think it more simple and
Right.
find out the solution to solve that problem, not think in a negative way. Yes, thank you so much.
Great. Let me recall one incident which happening in routine every person's college life. Okay, if you like some girl in your college life, okay, if you like some girl, that is your batchmate, you man always feel complicated while proposing that girl. you know Let me ask her whether I need to ask her for friendship, whether I need to ask her for kind of girlfriend. What should I need to do? If I ask her being as a just friend, she might be thinking some other way. Oh, she has already girlfriend, that's why she asked me just for as a friend. If we ask her for a girlfriend, oh, how many girlfriend this boy have? She asked me also, so how many other person she asked other before me? So I faced this kind of issue in my personal life when I was there in college. So that happens with each and every person.
Oh my God.
Right? Okay.
Big problem. Oh, very big problem.
So this is the practical thing, the boys in the college life they are facing, right? Okay. So any more comments from you guys? You want to say and share any example?
I actually have an example for my life, by the way.
Oh my God.
Don't say in front of your wife. If you want to give example, don't say in front of your wife.
No, no, I'm still single. I'm still single.
Okay.
So so actually so actually when I'm visiting my girlfriend house, they
Oh, so sweet.
we wanna going to the other place, like the like beach or something. And
Right.
then when I visited when I visited her, and then they not prepare anything. By the way, my girlfriend doing makeup, I waiting for more than 1 hour. I mean, like, why you why you doing like that for me, bro? Oh my god. Oh,
Right.
It's really
I,
fun.
until bored, I waiting her.
That happens, that happens because they love to be, more and more beautiful, not only for you, for all the people they are watching her, not only for you. Okay. Okay, that's all from my end, guys. Anybody wants to add on something, or otherwise we will wrap up the session?
I personally think that women are not complicated.
Good.
It's just because men are making complicated them.
Finally you come on conclusion.
You know why? You know why? Because
Yes.
Yes.
I
Yes.
always wanted to add this point that
Okay.
it's not women who are complicated. It's the
Okay.
situation which are making them complicated. If we open our heart, then boy thinks like,
let
oh,
me
it's
continue.
easy to
Okay, let
handle.
me continue. Okay,
Yes.
girls, yeah, step back, girls. You've talked enough today. And even though our admins are highly attached to listen only women's voice, I'm taking a chance to speak here. So yeah, it's all about uh, women's are not complicated. Um, in the first place, I personally think that men have to find a regular job and just to go out early in the morning, just go out and to go their works and come back at about 7 or 8 p.m. and there won't be any kind of quarrel, argue. you will fall asleep. You're gonna have your dinner and that's it. You're gonna fall asleep.
Right.
No arguments.
Right.
That's it from my side.
Thank you. Thank you for providing your thoughts and providing conclusion. So, we came one conclusion that women are not actually complicated, just the kind of situation that makes them complicated, the kind of decision, the kind of overburden, the kind of, many things that correlate to women. Just because of that, they become complicated. But yes, they are complicated. That's the conclusion. Even
Yeah.
men also complicated, but as compared to women, men are less complicated, right? That is the conclusion what I think. That's my belief. What you all believe, you can provide your thoughts in our WhatsApp. Goodbye. That's all for today. Thank you for your discussions. Okay.
Daughter.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great
Bye.
time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so
guys.
much.
Bye all.
Thank you.
And
Thank you,
please
guys.
like and subscribe our YouTube channel. It's only for you guys.
Of course,
Excuse me,
of
sir.
course.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I have a question. What
Yeah.
is
Okay.
what is the name of the YouTube channel?
I will share in our group, English Globally Family. That's the name of
I'm
our
sorry.
group channel.
Sorry, I'm not in the
Okay,
group.
sir.
Sorry?
Sorry, I'm not in the group. Sorry, I'm not in the group actually.
Okay. Let me.
I'm actually invited.
Sending the link.
Okay, I
Yeah,
will
it has
send
a
you the
link.
link so you can stay connected with our group. The link is available into the chat box. Now you can connect our WhatsApp group. Okay, that is English Globally Family. Right?
All right. Thanks for the invitation. I'll join it soon.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Good
Thanks.
morning,
Bye.
Jay.
Yeah.
Good morning. I got late in the meeting, but it is my pleasure always to be here.
Yeah.
So
Gabriel.
here this morning, and I just came here to say hi to Jenny and
Yeah.
Jay and all the members here.
Thank
They're
you.
always holding great discussion, and I think that you were holding a great discussion about the woman, Ben. It was a really interesting topic, and
Yeah.
but it is okay. I'm going to join in early. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time and
you.
planning
Thank
the
you
meeting,
all.
Jenny and Jay. See you
Thank you.
then.
Time to
Bye.
say goodbye.
Bye.
It's time to